What if an asteroid impact was the reason behind the extinction of dinosaurs? Sounds crazy, right? But that is exactly what Luis Alvarez and his son, Walter Alvarez, discovered in 1980. This discovery shook the world of science and made them famous. But who was Luis Alvarez and what were his greatest discoveries? Let's find out in today's episode. Number 4. Early life and education. Luis Alvarez was born on February 13, 1911 in the city of Veracruz in Mexico. His father was a railroad engineer and his mother was a homemaker. Alvarez had 2 brothers and 1 sister. From an early age, he showed an interest in science and mathematics. He attended the National Autonomous University of Mexico, where he earned a bachelor's degree in natural sciences in 1932. After that, he went to the University of California, Los Angeles to study under the renowned astronomer and Nobel laureate George Gamow. Under Gamo's mentorship, Alvarez developed his skills as a theoretical physicist. He earned his PhD from UCLA in 1938 with a dissertation on cosmic rays. 3. Career and research. During World War II, Alvarez worked at the Manhattan Project at Los Alamos National Laboratory, where he helped develop the first atomic bombs. After the war, he joined the faculty of the University of California, San Diego, as a professor of physics. He also worked at several other institutions, including the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, the California Institute of Technology, and the University of Chicago. Throughout his career, Alvarez made significant contributions to various fields of science, such as astrophysics, geochemistry, and mineralogy. He studied black holes, quasars, the origin of the universe, and the structure of matter. He also served as a consultant for NASA and the National Science Foundation, and received numerous awards and honors, including the National Medal of Science and the Gold Medal of the Royal Astronomical Society. But perhaps his greatest discovery came in 1980, when he and his son, Walter, discovered a thin layer of iridium-rich clay in Italy that dated back to the end of the Cretaceous period. Iridium is a rare element on Earth, but it's abundant in space. Alvarez hypothesized that this layer was deposited by an extraterrestrial event that caused the mass extinction that killed off the dinosaurs. This discovery provided the first concrete evidence for the asteroid impact theory, which had been proposed earlier by others but was not widely accepted. The Alvarezes used various methods to date the layer and estimate the age of the dinosaurs. They found that the iridium anomaly coincided with the KPG event, which marked the end of the Cretaceous period and the beginning of the Paleogene period. They also estimated that the age of the dinosaurs was about 65 million years before present, which is now known to be accurate within a few million years. Number 2. Later, life and legacy. After making this groundbreaking discovery, Alvarez continued to work on related projects such as searching for tektite impact structures and studying the effects of asteroids on Earth and other planets. He also mentored and inspired many young scientists, especially his son Walter, who became a prominent paleontologist in his own right. However, Alvarez faced some controversies and criticisms from other scientists who questioned his methods and interpretations. Some of them argued that the iridium anomaly was not a global phenomenon, and that there were other factors that could have caused the mass extinction, such as volcanic activity or climate change. Nevertheless, Alvarez stood by his discovery and research and saw the evidence for the asteroid impact in various other places around the world. For example, he discovered shocked quartz in the KPG layer in Tunisia, which indicated a sudden and violent event. He also noted that the age of the dinosaurs coincided with the extinction of many other species, such as marine, plankton, and birds. Furthermore, he suggested that the asteroid impact was not the only factor that caused the mass extinction, but it was the trigger that set off a chain reaction of events that led to the demise of most life on Earth. These events included massive earthquakes, tsunamis, wildfires, and an ice age that lasted for decades or centuries. Alvarez died on July 4, 1988 in San Diego, California, at the age of 77. He died of cancer, which he had been battling for several years. He left behind a legacy of scientific excellence, curiosity, and courage. He was a brilliant physicist and geologist who dared to challenge conventional wisdom and explore new frontiers. He was also a loving father and mentor who shared his passion for science with others. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos about amazing people. Also, let us know in the comments below what you think of our video, and we'll see you next time.